Well, everyone, I've got it all painted. Here's the hood. And then outside, of course, I've got the rear spoiler, which was absolutely junk, and it's still junk. And it was brand new. The trunk lid, I got the fenders outside. The front headlight bezels, hood tack, fender vents. Here's the car. I've water sanded a little bit on the quarter panel right there. Got the carpet just kind of sitting in. There's the car up there. I've got to stick the intake back on it. Had to pull that off because I had an issue with the intake gasket. There's the tighten hook to it. I'm about to pull it around to the front. I'll go inside. I'll show you my trim. There's the front grille pieces. I've got the hood hinges, and there's all the trim right there. Front grills, door handles, and right over here's the pieces that go in the hood and the bezels for the headlights. And then right here's the headlights and then the trim for the front. So, yeah, it looks good. My cartoon's in there playing. But there it is. Keep watching my videos. Hopefully I'll get this thing put together today. The customer's coming today to pick it up, so I've got to get the car finished today. So continue watching. I'll update the video pretty soon. And don't forget to subscribe.